In this video, I will show you exactly how you can stop sharing Instagram stories on Facebook, and this is all the stuff that you need to know about it. Because imagine that you only want to put out the content and post it on one social media platform, let it be Instagram, and it just all of a sudden appears on Facebook. This is probably not something that you want, right? So in this case, what you need to do is to locate the Instagram app and open it up like this, get inside, and I'm already inside of the create a story section. You of course know how you can get there, so let me just begin by random image of an iPhone. It does not matter. And at the bottom I have the option to share it to my story with a click of a button. It's just going to appear on Instagram, and this right here will put it to the close friends list. However, I can click on the arrow icon on the right, and I have some options here. So your story with my profile picture, close friends, or a message. But your story has the sharing options at the bottom. It's actually a button you can click on. So if you click on it, as of right now, it tells me that it doesn't really work because I don't have Facebook connected. But if you had, and if you notice that Instagram stories are being shared to Facebook automatically, in this section you'd have the option to choose where it actually goes to. Like you can only pick stories on Facebook or stories on Instagram, whatever the option that you prefer, but you have the option to like change it and customize it in here. So remember, at the bottom, don't click on a story because this may contain posting it to Facebook automatically. And just click on arrow, sharing options, and choose whatever you like right here. And also, if you really wanted to, you could delink Facebook and Instagram. If you really wanted, you can find it inside of the Instagram's meta section, so you can go through that route as well to delink it altogether. But this is something that takes a bit of more time and it's probably not for everyone. So yeah, that's an option as well. But I want to let you know about one thing which you should definitely join. It's a Foxtecc educational platform which I created, and you can join it for free. It's linked down below in the description, and once you get inside, you'll have access to other people who are learning about their devices already. And also in the classroom section, you can find courses on social media, where you can find video editing course as of right now, and iPhone apps explained, so in-depth guides for certain apps, more stuff being added in the future. So definitely join right now, and I will wait for you. I'll see you inside. As of right now, just hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the Foxtecc YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.